Hi guys, welcome to another video. Do you know that with the Twitch viewer bot, you can increase your stream numbers effortlessly? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to get 100% working viewer bot that delivers instant viewers with a quick setup. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm in my browser and what I need to do now is to go to Twitch. So I'm going to open it. Let's go to browse live channels and I'm going to search for channels that have low views. So let's choose one, for example, the first one. So it has only one view. And what I need to do is to copy his username. Okay, and now let's go on this website called FollowersPanda.com. And let's click on Twitch viewer bot here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and now let's scroll down. Okay, so here you're going to find 3 plans. So each plan has its own price. For example, affiliate. So this package will help you reach Twitch affiliate program criteria, and if you choose this program, like the stream will appear ads on this stream. So you're going to start making money. So it's a win-win. And here there is a growth plan and partner plan. So if you want Prime subscription, it's only on growth and partner plan. It's not on affiliate. For example, we're going to just choose like the first plan, which is affiliate, by clicking on buy now. And now we're just going to keep it as random chat. Okay, or for you, if you want to keep it on custom chat, you can do it. You have the choice, but for me, I just want to put it on random chat. So here, this is the custom chat. You can enter messages. Okay, so that's it, guys. It depends on you. So here you can enter the username of the channel that we chose. Okay, and here you can enter the email. So enter the email. Okay, I'm going to take this email. I'm going to put it here. Select agree terms and condition and click on proceed to check out here. Go to your email to get the 6-digit verification code. Okay, so you're going to find it on your email. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Now enter your password. It's important so you can log in because it's important to register to FollowersPanda.com. Okay, so now I'm in my email again. So click on proceed to check out. They're going to send you verification or confirmation order on your email. So now confirm the info and click on proceed the payment. Okay, so now you have the choice to choose which payment method you want, like credit or debit card, PayPal or Bitcoin or crypto. So for me, for example, let's keep it on credit or debit card, or you can we can just keep it on Bitcoin or crypto. Now, this is a personal choice. So let's click on pay with wallet after choosing the payment method. And as you can see, we paid, and as you can see, our order is pending, but don't worry, it's going to work after 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, so just keep refreshing the page until you're going to find that it's not pending anymore. Okay, let's try now to refresh it. It's still pending, so let's try again. Okay, so as you can see, it's processing. So now everything is working, and he's going to receive viewer report is received to the channel. Okay, so from here you can pause. There is action. You can pause it if you want, and as you can see, the channel is getting views now from 1 to 23 viewers. So as you can see, guys, it's working. You have the 15 Twitch chatbots and 20 Twitch viewer chatbots. So you can choose which one you want to pause or which one you want to keep. This was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.